50s and even younger feel the negative effects of fluctuating hormones, but so do men. Tonight, Karen Abernathy continues her special report to learn more about how some people are reversing the signs of aging with help from a somewhat controversial treatment as they search for the fountain of youth.
4 women enter menopause every minute of the day, and more than 25 million American men experience some degree of male menopause. As hormones decline, mood swings, irritability, memory loss, sleeplessness, lack of energy, and loss of libido are just some of the symptoms. But many people are finding a way to feel younger again with something called bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or BHRT. And some say it's never too late to start feeling better. Nancy Phobes has always had a lot of energy, and at 70, she's not planning to slow down anytime soon.
Gosh, if I can't feel young and have my body keep up with my mind, what do I want to be here for? I don't want to get old and helpless. Old, still running the streets, that'd be me.
Where does Nancy get all this energy? Well, she stumbled across it by accident when she found out she had severe osteoporosis. The brittle bone disease is more common after menopause, and after meeting with Dr. Victor Bozzone, Nancy discovered bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, along with vitamin supplements, would not only help her bones, but a host of other problems she was having. She has been in Dr. Bozzone's BHRT program since June.
I do feel better. I'm not 20 again, but I don't feel so tired. And I think I can remember things better.
And it's not just for women. Dr. Bozzone has been taking bioidentical hormones for 2 years.
My energy levels are up. Memory is just as good as it was 20 years ago. Maybe not as good as 40 years ago, but 20 years ago.
Dr. Bozzone says far too many people are aging faster than they have to because they are not replacing the hormones they lose as they age.
Hormones give you a better sense of well-being physically and emotionally, but the object is just to make aging more graceful and to prevent you from suffering the ravages of age.
And he believes bioidentical hormones are the way to go. He says they are natural plant-based hormones specifically designed to match your body's needs based on blood tests that check estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone levels.
What we prescribe for our patients is identical to what is being produced in their body, and which they have stopped producing because they've gotten older.
Beach Pharmacy in Gulfport is one of the drugstores on the coast where pharmacists put together bioidentical hormone replacement therapies in customized dosages, according to the doctor's prescriptions. Pharmacist Larry Crone says the demand is growing as people discover the benefits.
The South has always been very conservative and the last to pick up on the new trends, but it's definitely going because there's enough women that are getting relief from it and feeling better that, and the word spreads.
They are usually compounded into creams that are applied to the skin or put into capsules.
I would say 80 to 90% of the women that have switched over and tried the bioidenticals tell me that they feel better on the bioidentical hormones than they do on the synthetics.
And Dr. Bozzone believes the trend will continue to grow.
We're not going to stop you from getting older, therefore it's not a fountain of youth, but it's going to maintain your quality of life, hopefully until the day you die.
As far as Nancy is concerned, she says she'll keep taking the hormones as long as they continue to make her feel better.
I don't know what kind of other hidden secrets are in there, but so far the hormones are working for me.
Dr. Bozzone says BHRT is one of 3 parts of the anti-aging equation, with proper diet, including nutritional supplements, and exercise being the other keys. And while Dr. Bozzone believes bioidenticals are safer and more effective than synthetics, the FDA says there is insufficient evidence to prove those claims.